Hi guys, how y'all doing? So today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Asian style braised pork belly. To get started, I have my pork belly already washed and I'll be using some soy sauce, oyster sauce, Hoisin sauce. I have some Chinese cooking wine, some chili paste, brown sugar. I'll be using some Chinese 5-spice, white pepper, garlic and ginger, cinnamon, and star anise. So basically, I just heated up my pot on the stove, added some oil, and I went in, and what I like to do is crisp up the fatty part of the pork belly. The cap at the top, I like to crisp that up. And once it's crisp up nicely, we will flip it over and just let it brown on the other side. Then we'll remove it and proceed to the next step. To the same pot, I will now add my garlic and ginger, and to bring out the flavors a bit, I like to saute them for about 2 minutes. After which we will go in with some hot water, and then we will add the rest of our ingredients. All the sauces, the spices, everything, we will add them in here, give it a good stir and allow it to come up to a simmer. Once this comes up to a simmer, we will now add the pork belly. We will cover it, lower the heat. We will cook this on low heat for about 1 hour. And after an hour, I will show you the finished product. And this is it, guys. The pork belly is all done after an hour. Now we can remove it from the pot and serve it up. This can be served as an appetizer, or you can serve it up with some rice, but I like it served as an appetizer. I just stick some toothpicks inside, and this will be a great holiday treat. Like if you want to serve this as your appetizer for the holidays, it will be perfect. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.